Heartopia and My Little Pony collaboration starting on February 14th this Valentine's Day. Here's everything you need to know. The main plot of the quest is that the Tree of Harmony will arrive in town and the ponies will need our help. We need to resonate with the Tree of Harmony, awaken the tree, and return it to its original world. That's really the main quest, but there is a pre-launch login event, and upon daily login, you can get one chance to light up a puzzle and unlock progress rewards. There will be a limited exhibition passes, and completing all the puzzles will give you the Spike Cat outfit. I mean, just look how great that looks. There will also be other areas coming to the game for this collaboration, such as the Rainbow Ladder, which is a slide that will take you all the way to the Tree of Harmony. And now, for the good stuff that the tree will give us. It'll give us more elements and we can use them to water the tree and earn progress rewards. There's also collectible badges and a whole bunch of new decorations and outfit, and you can trade them with DG members. We also get an update of everything coming to the Gilded Acorn shop, which is the My Little Pony special exhibition. Collaboration will not only have 6 new unique outfits, but also new exclusive vehicles. There's a lot to unpack here, and I want to give you guys all the information that I have and show you guys these outfits. So, save up that currency if there's any outfits that you want. And on Discord, they dropped a bunch of images showcasing all the different ponies in their sets. I'll show this guys with you now. We have Fluttershy. Next up is Rarity. We have Rainbow Dash. Next up is Applejack. We have Twilight Sparkle. This is Pinkie Pie. Now here's a breakdown of all the outfit pieces for the 6 new characters in the My Little Pony Heartopia collaboration. You can see which individual pieces you can obtain from each character. I think this will be a sick update and I'm looking forward to it. For more Heartopia news and updates, just click the follow button. I'll try to share as much as I can with all of you.